Here we go, folks. Just straight back. Just keep going straight back. You're good.
Straight?
Yeah. You're lined up and everything.
Good?
Yeah, still good. Hey, Brayden. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I had no doubt. Watch your bucket. Watch your bucket. I had no doubt.
That's our bracket.
Watch these. I can see why. Why are you sweating? You haven't done a thing. Yeah, it's definitely not drain pipe. All right. See where you're going, right? What'd you do? What'd you do? Cover it all up?
I'll try to get more.
Yeah. I think you need a riser.
Alright, well, we have a tank. I'll tell you how big the tank. That's to lift it in and out, right? That hook?
Yeah,
Or is that the lid?
that's the lid.
Is that the lid? That's a big old tank. At least 500 gallon probably, ain't it?
Yeah, 1,000. I don't know.
See your shovel. I need to dig here and see where the pipes are. It says sewer pipe right on it. It sure
Yeah.
does.
All right, boys and girls, we found the lid right there.
That is the lid. You're really not gonna pop that off, though.
Why not?
That'll stink. I don't think that's gonna hold.
Yeah, the handle's not gonna hold anymore.
I'm trying to help you. I really don't want to get down there. You doing that stuff. Don't drop it down in it.
Yeah, you gotta drop it there.
It's concave or something. It's tapered.
Yeah.
Hey,
There you go.
it's full. Oh, it's full of water.
There's your shitter.
All right, now take your pole, take your hand on your
No.
shovel, and see how much oosh is in it.
No, this is as far as I go, boys.
Well, let me go up the bar and get a big old board.
All right, get one of those fence sticks.
Now, huh? Now
Hey.
you decide to bail on me.
I got the hole opened up for you. Just don't drop anything down in there.
If I do, you're gonna go get it.
Uh-huh. Keep going.
There's the bottom. That's not too bad.
There's sludge on the bottom?
Very little. It's loose right there.
Then you got 3 feet, well 2 feet at least up there.
Huh?
2 feet dry.
Yeah.
Put it back down in there and put your finger where your hand where the top starts.
I'll say where you going with this. Right there.
Yeah. So that's every bit of 6 foot.
Yeah. That's at least that's a 1,000-gallon tank.
Well, you just have to get online or get some comments off this video. So you're gonna close this out because you have 1 minute 22 seconds.
Welcome back. Outdoor Ventures Brayton and Peters from Farms of Nashville. We're out here on the Outdoor Ventures with Brayton property, finding a septic tank. First time using the excavator. Phil will show you that tomorrow too. It's his turn. So, thanks y'all for coming, stop by. I can't even talk. Like, subscribe, push that notification button. Glad y'all came by. We'll see you again.
More adventures on Outdoor Adventures of Brayton.
Ventures, yes, and we're outdoors.
That's all right.
Yeah. Catch y'all later.
All right.
See ya.
Later.